work done in rotating the dipole in uniform electric field. In uniform electric field. The scenario is this. Suppose there is a uniform electric field. Suppose there is a uniform electric field. In this uniform electric field, let us there is a dipole. Let us there is a dipole. So again I am representing like this. Let us this is the center of the dipole. Again here let us there is a minus q charge and here suppose there is a q charge. So to this q charge there is a force and the force is equal to q in this direction. To this minus there is again a force q in this direction. So because of this the dipole will rotate in this direction because of the torque. In the last class I was calculated torque and I say or I calculated torque is equal to E sine theta in the last class. So in this scenario, let us this angle is equal to theta 1. So I try to rotate the dipole against torque from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta is equal to theta 2. So let us this angle is equal to theta 2. So if I rotate the dipole from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta is equal to theta 2. So from theta 1 to theta 2, I try to rotate the dipole. Then what is the amount of work done? Let the amount of work done is equal to W or WT. So I want to calculate the WT. So how to proceed it? So assume there is a very small angular displacement d theta will rotate initially against the torque. So for that, let us a very small amount of work done is done required, that is dW. So I try to write the dW. Then what is dW? dW hela pile siye jodi mu small d theta angular displacement karibi against the torque from theta 1 to theta 1 plus d theta tahale mate jeti kaam kariya padila ta कहली pile small work, and that small work I can say it is tau d theta. Then what is the total work? So in order to get the total work, that is total work, then I have to integrate it. That integration is tau d theta. So from theta equal to theta 1 to theta is equal to theta 2. Because my initial point will be theta is equal to theta 1 and the final point will be equal to theta is equal to theta 2. And that work I have to do against the torque, that is nothing but your external work done. External work done is equal to WT is equal to minus theta 1 to theta 2 torque d theta. In last class I said torque is equal to P sine theta. P sine theta, it is d theta. Then your integral limit will be from theta 1 to theta 2. I think is complete. That is P sine theta integration, all of you know it is minus cos theta. So I am writing directly here minus cos theta from theta 1 to theta 2, from theta 1 to theta 2. Now again I am writing this P cos theta minus को प्लस कर देली सेति पई लिमिट चेंज कर दोछि पूरा थीटा 2 तळु कोन देली थीटा 1 को ऊपर रख देली आपको डायरेक्ट एबे कोली कह दोछि P cos theta 1 minus theta 2 cos देखो जोड़ी P cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So this is nothing but the total work done by the external agent to rotate the dipole from theta is equal to theta 1 to theta is equal to theta 2. Understood? The question will sometime ask, what is the work done required by the external agent to rotate the dipole from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 90. So what is the total work done? Total work done required by the external agent to rotate the dipole from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 90. So that means theta 1 is given here 0 and theta 2 is given here how much? 90. Scenario किछि प्ले एमती देखो एडी मने कर यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एमती अछि इनिशियली तमरी टॉर्क बोले डाइपोल केमती अछि डाइपोल एमती अछि एडा प्ले माइनस q एडा किए q obviously इआडे फोर्स आ इआडे फोर्स नेट फोर्स 0 नेट टॉर्क 0 बर्तमान से पचार जदि या बुलेबी यही ठारू किसी एंगल 90 जाए माने ये बुलेबी ताले एठी किए बुले रहबो एठी माइनस क्यू रहबो एठी किए रहबो क्यू रहबो ता माने एटा को एठी के आनिबे आ एटा को एठी के आनिबी देन व्हाट इज द total work done obviously you have to do some work you have to means external agent have to do some work to rotate so the work done is equal to pe एबे ही एक्सप्रेशन लिखैतली बोले कोन हबो cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 so कहि परिबी pe cos theta 1 रो मूल्य पकई परिबी that is cos 0 minus cos 90 so cos 90 रो मूल्य 0 that is simply p so p that is work done by the external agents to rotate the dipole from theta 1 is equal to 0 to theta 2 is equal to 90 question तार उल्टा भी हो पारिबो what is the amount of work done required to rotate the dipoles from theta is equal to 90 to theta is equal to 0 केते काम करिया को पड़िबो जदि मु डाइपोल को बुलेबी थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 टू थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 बाय द एक्सटर्नल ऑब्वियसली केस एक्सटर्नल एजेंट वर्क नेगेटिव आसियो काहे कि टॉर्क ऑटोमेटिकली को बुले दो ले देखो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला रे कोड्स केते इनसे भाग आइ दिला पले तो टोटल वर्क डन पिले बे कोन कहितली तुमको फार्मूला p cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 सो इट द p की p रखिली cos theta 1 केते कोई 90 माइनस cos theta 2 केते 0 तो देखो सॉल्व करीबी मु कहबी डायरेक्ट माइनस p कहीं cos 90 रो मूल्य केते 0 cos 90 मूल्य 0 cos 0 मूल्य 1 सो इठी पहुंचियो माइनस 1 into p that is minus p that is the work done so this is the total work done by whom by external agent so total work done by the external agents केते असला नेगेटिव असला काहे कि काम किए करछि काम निजे टॉर्क ही करछि डाइपोल ही निजे निजे बुली जाउ सो here the external agent work is negative so what is the work done by the dipole you can say the work done by the torque is equal to simply plus p so work done by the external agent is equal to minus p so we type re किसी गणित दे दे what is the amount of work done required to rotate the dipole from theta is equal to 30 degree to theta is equal to 60 degree so ये प्रकार ही फॉर्मूला खाली थीटा 1 और थीटा 2 रे वैल्यू प्लेस करे अछि तापर ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर पाइ छी जदी जदी तमे कोन पाउछो वर्क डन जदी पॉजिटिव पाउछो ताले रियली एक्सटर्नल एजेंट इज डूइंग द वर्क जदी वर्क डन नेगेटिव पाउछो ताले एक्सटर्नल एजेंट इज नॉट डूइंग एनी वर्क द वर्क डन बाय द टॉर्क क्लियर या ही थिला तमरो ए work done in rotating the dipole in uniform electric field ऊपर कहानी next class रे हम चर्चा करिबा electric flux then move towards Gauss law and their applications thank you have a good day